Spalding, and I'm the chairman of the Maxfield Park Children's Home, located at 89 Maxfield Avenue in Kingston, Jamaica. We have 100 children in our home, 100 wards of the state in our facility from the ages 0 to 18, and some stay with us after because there's nowhere else for them to go.
There's often the notion that the government takes a child from a parent. I really and truly don't see it as that, because it's not that when the government put the child in a state care or a home, the child is not barred from seeing the parent, or the parent is not barred from seeing the child, vice versa.
We need more support from the private sector. We need more support from other members of the society, monitoring, mentoring, supporting the children so they can form attachments and achieve their objectives.
Because many of the children come here for neglect, they need specialized services. They need neuropsychologicals, they need physiotherapy, they need emotional therapy. So one of the things I'm hoping that both can do is to raise funds to give these specialized services.
And I believe the resources that are identified by the board, if those resources are provided, financial and other resources, within a very short period of time, the transformation effects are going to be really very evident.
The #1 home in the world, and we ask you to join us. It's not going to be easy, but if you have a heart, you have a soul, you have purpose, and you want to contribute to the development, then I am the person to call. My board of directors are ready to work with you, the entire staff is ready to work with you, and the children are ready to receive your love. We will tell you what we need if you want to volunteer. We're developing our volunteer program, so call us, tell us what your desires are, and hopefully it matches with our transformation plan, our strategic plan, and our goal to give our children the best love, the best support, and the best foundation so that they can build and become leaders of the future. Thank you from all of us here at Maxfield Park Children's Home for just taking the time out to hear what we have to say.